Hey guys, we're group 11 and we are part one of the popcorn popper. And so we were measuring the Lego and dispensing the kernels, and this is our project.
So the first part of our project is the Lego measurer, and we designed this part to measure the Lego. The Lego is going to be placed in this corner at which is a 90-degree angle, and there's two time-of-flight sensors mounted on either side, here and here. And those will take a measurement of the distance between the sensor and the Lego, which using subtraction can be used to calculate the length of the Lego. And so that these time-of-flight sensors aren't always recording, we're going to use a button that when pressed will take like a snapshot recording of the distance between the time-of-flight sensor and the Lego so we can get an accurate measurement. And then we'll just compare the measurement we get with predetermined measurements for different sizes of Legos to get the actual size of the Lego.
After we measure the size of our Lego, then we are going to work on dispensing the kernels. So we have this funnel here, and the hole in the bottom of the funnel is about 1 to 2 kernels wide. And then we have a servo that will open and close the bottom of that funnel. And so we're going to have predetermined measurements after collecting data that will determine how long this needs to be open before it closes again, depending on the volume of our Lego block.
And as far as sensors that we're using 2 time-of-flight sensors on the Lego measurement, and those get our length and width, and we'll calculate the volume by multiplying those together at times 2 for the height of the Lego block. And then the servo for this is just going to be rotating around basically in sort of a trapdoor style, which will just release the bottom of this for the kernels to fall. As far as the standards, pretty simple. Placing the Lego block in, we're part of the placement group and not the insertion group. And then for the kernels, dispensing them using gravity down through a chute to the next group. And then our information that we get as far as our values will just be transferred through the Arduino as our predetermined variables as integers.